Hi, this is Dalia at Impeccabilities powered by Kaizink, and in this video I'm just going to show you how we change our frame sizes depending on our art file. So the first thing you're going to want to do is based on our naming convention up here. You see LS just stands for left sleeve, and our size is 2.6 inches. So we're going to want to use our smaller hoop size, which in this case is 425 by 425. On the left hand side, you can see that it says 550 by 550, meaning that it's the 5.5 inch hoop, which we want to use the smaller one. So we're just going to go ahead on the bottom. You're going to see some selections. You're going to want to click on outline. Here you can see that it is selecting 550 by 550. We're going to want to select 425 by 425, which means it's a 4.25 inch by 4.25 inch. So you're going to want to select that. And then on the right hand side, on setting, it selects it yellow. We're going to click on that for the next step. Click yes for a frame outline change. And here on the left hand side, you can see that it says 425 by 425. Thank you.